We have here our planter sources. We're going to open up, show you how nicely packaged they are. They come in a number of sizes and quantities. 4 small, 4 medium, 4 large. The small will fit and even a small one. You can put your favorite plants in, and when you water, the water stays inside the saucer containers. And when you want to water certain plants, you water from the bottom so it can absorb into the plant. A nice example of watering. And the absorption goes into the plant when the plant has a bottom hole area. We have some basil that needs to have a planter's bottom. And then we have strawberries that needs to have just a little bit bigger bottom. So this way we could put water in it and allow it to grow. For the nice large one, for the pineapple, we could slide under. And they make many different sizes for your needs. If you're looking for planter sources for your pots, plants to place and replace, check online for further details about the sizes you are after. They make small, medium, large, and larger sizes as well. And check for the colors you are after. We have a pot here that needs to have a saucer. And fits there just beautifully. Check online for your saucer needs. Thank you for viewing.